From the Aishin Broadcast Studio, it's the BodyShop Business Podcast.
Hey there, it's Jason Stahl with another episode of BodyShop Business, the podcast. And my two special guests today are Travis Kaw and Andrew Gutierrez, who are territory managers with PPG. Welcome, guys.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Sure. And so today we're talking about a new exciting paint line that PPG has, Velocity. And so my first question is, PPG obviously has a lot of paint systems. So where does Velocity fit among all those paint systems, such as Deltron, NXT, Shopline, or Omni? Where does Velocity fit?
Travis, you want to take that one?
Yeah, I think Velocity fits right in between them lines. We have the Deltron NXT, which is a premium, but we also have a value focus line of Shopline, and it fits right there in the middle. I mean, I feel like it is offers a professional grade, durability, great color matching at a great price. It's a great product, high performance without that premium cost. Gives the shop the ability to choose. They don't have to choose from quality and affordability. It's going to give them that product all the way through and through.
Excellent. And so, Andrew, maybe you can take this next one. How does Velocity compare to the other PPG systems?
So on one end, we have our premium systems like EnviroBase and Deltron NXT. And on the other end of that, we've got our economy brand. We've got Shopline and Omni. We've never really had anything right in the middle. While it doesn't necessarily have all the bells and whistles that come with the premium systems, it does have great color match. It's got great metallic control and the price point. It's priced right in the middle. So it's not as cheap as our economy, not as expensive as our premium. And there's a lot of shops out there that are looking for something right there in the middle. And that's where Velocity fits in.
Okay, great. And so tell me about some of the features and benefits of Velocity and the value proposition that it offers collision repairers.
Well, you get accurate color mixes at an affordable price. With Velocity, you get speed, you've got great undercoats, you've got a lot of, you got several different clear options, including air dry clears. There's a lot of shops out there that just don't have heat makeup and they need a system that can work in their environment. And I feel like Velocity just fits the bill there. It's affordable, it's fast, and with over 70 toners, you still get your color match.
Yeah, like Andrew said, it offers 5 different clear coats. It's got 2 matte finishes and then three clear coats. The clear coats, they range from everything as from a 1-visit application to just a multiple traditional application. So we have everything from a fast clear to an overall glamour clear. The undertones are phenomenal. They dry quick. They do have the G shade, so we have that value scale to get that coverage. 1 coat coverage, we're seeing about 1 to 1.5 coat coverage with the color. Like Andrew said, it's all liquids from the pearls, the aluminums to the Xerylics. High quality finish, there again, without breaking the bank.
Yeah, we know painters are very particular about what they spray. So tell me why painters are going to love this and what it's going to do for the paint department in a body shop.
So I think a big bonus with Velocity is the metallic control. These newer colors, they have some pretty complicated metallics. And a lot of times a painter has to fight to really lay it down and get it even and get it right. And with Velocity, the feedback we're getting is you don't have to work it as hard. It just lays out. You don't get your modeling, very even coverage. And like Travis said, 1.5 coat, 2 coat coverage max. It's just the speed and the throughput that you get with it that I think a painter and a shop owner is going to like.
Yeah, I think the simplicity of the mix-in ratios is phenomenal. Um, Velocity line has everything from ground up to the top coat, but it is very small. It's streamlined. There's not a lot of bells and whistles, but it does get the job done. And I think for the painter, the clears are versatile, the quick drying, you know, that's going to be more effective and efficient with their jobs. For the shop owner, they're going to see, you know, smoother transitions of the getting the cars in and out, which at the end of the day makes the productivity go up. So I think it's going to help faster cycle times. So all in all, I think both wins, the painter and the shop owners.
Great. And you know, so we know that there's some great products out there that are introduced to the collision repair industry, but sometimes the training falls short. So talk to me about the training and support that comes with this new paint line.
So one thing that sets PPG apart is just our commitment to training and support. Velocity users can access the same high quality training network that supports our other brands. You know, if they need technical training, we can do that here at one of our training centers. We can do that in the field with one of our local reps. Our jobbers or distributors have been through training, and you know they have technical reps that can help. So I feel like, you know, even though you're going with a mid-tier line, you're still getting access to all the training and support that PPG offers.
Yeah, one thing that I always have said is we are more than just a paint line system. We offer the tools and the expertise, you know, for the painter and the shop to be successful. Without training, we're nowhere. So we have to train them. We have to set ourselves apart. And I believe that's what us at PPG do.
Talk to me about the digital tools available to painters through this line, particularly, or for example, the Digimatch spectrophotometer. Talk to me about that.
So, you know, the digital tools are a huge part of the Velocity line. You know, a paint system is only as good, and a camera is only as good as the formulas and the database that it pulls from. And, you know, PPG has thousands of formulas. The Velocity line has thousands of formulas. And, you know, the camera's just helping you pick the right one, get to the right color faster.
Yeah, you know, I do agree with Andrew there. You know, we have the same advanced technology with the camera as we use in our premium lines, and so it's grabbing a color out of our huge database that we have. So we are seeing colors align very well, and just, you know, the color match, the sprayability of it. We're seeing blendable colors. There again, it works smarter and faster with that camera. No rework.
So Travis and Andrew, where can people go for more information on PPG's Velocity?
I think the best place to go is going to be our Refinish website. It's ppgrefinish.com. You can find all the information about Velocity and other paint lines, training, everything's on there.
Great. Well, guys, I can't thank you enough for your time today. You know, whenever PPG launches a new product, it gets great engagement with our audience. So I'm sure they're going to be very excited to watch or listen to this podcast. So again, Andrew, Travis, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for tuning in to Body Shop Business, the podcast. Check out bodyshopbusiness.com for more podcasts.